Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to change DoorDash location on the driver application. So the first thing that you need to do is go ahead and go to your DoorDash application and just make sure that you're logged into your account. Now once you're in here, just go to the account at the bottom right, click on that, and then you will see all these options right here. So just look for the addresses. So click on that one. And then once you click on that, you just have to search here your new location. So, for example, that, and then click on the accurate location that it has. Now, once you're done with that, you can adjust the pin right here, and then you can move around this one. So you just have to pin your location to make sure it's sure and accurate. And then once you're done with that, just click on save at the bottom and save again to really save your new location. So that's basically it. It's very quick and easy. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!